Hi, I'm Gray Parks, equine specialist with Tennessee Farmers Co-op, here with your Co-op Minute on administering dewormer to horses. I want to remind you the importance of a fecal egg count to determine when and how to deworm your horse, the importance of knowing your horse's weight, and how to train your horse to accept dewormer willingly. The first and most important part of a good deworming program is making sure that you've worked with your veterinarian to determine what kinds of parasites your horses have and how many, so that you can deworm at the right time of year and use the right chemical. The second important part about deworming is knowing how much your horse weighs so that you can dose that horse properly. For example, Ariel here weighs just under 900 pounds, so we want to make sure to deworm her for a 900 pound or 1,000 pound dose. You can determine your horse's weight using a scale, a weight tape, or a calculation based on the horse's length and girth. And finally, training your horse to accept dewormer willingly and quietly will make the whole process less stressful on everyone. Thanks again for joining us in this Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.